Most product leaders want their teams to adopt AI to boost productivity. But there's a catch. Tools like ChatGPT create the illusion of speed at the cost of quality. When you use chat-based AI to draft PRDs, it makes hundreds of small hidden decisions for you. You end up building a product, but not your product. That's why we built Wisary. Not to help PMs write faster, but to help PMs think critically and make better decisions, so the entire team can move faster. Wisary is a Confluence app that leverages AI to help PMs make smarter decisions, identify gaps early, and align teams before the code is written. Let me show you how it works. Wisary is available in Confluence, and it guides me through the document creation process. With Wisary, creating a PRD is more than just filling out a template. It guides me step by step, prompting me with questions to ensure every aspect of the product is thought through. We start by answering some general questions based on the best practices, like the problem we want to solve. With information provided so far, Wiser's AI identifies the gaps and asks additional questions to gather context, uncover assumptions, and ensure no critical detail is missed. It helps me think strategically before the PRD is created. AI will refine the project goals section in this case based on the context I just provided. Then it will continue reviewing my content and asking questions to keep the conversation going until I have thought of every important aspect and I'm ready to move forward to the next document section. By providing feedback and ask for additional context, Wiser will help me refine each requirement. AI will help me refine this requirement based on my input and will identify what else I may want to be thinking of to make it even more specific and relevant. I'll keep answering the questions as long as I have new ideas, new context I want to provide, and AI will help me make this requirement as thoughtful and as detailed as possible. Wisary will not only help me refine each requirement, but will also help me identify the missing ones. With my new input, AI will help me draft any missing requirements that are needed and will review my requirements once again and will try to identify what else I may be missing and what other things I should be thinking about. AI is not making decisions on my behalf, but it is identifying gaps in my thinking, and by asking the right questions at the right time, helps me fill them in. Once I'm done working on all the sections, Wisary will put all the information together into a thorough and clear PRD document. AI didn't generate walls of meaningless documentation, but instead, it was my thought partner that helped me slow down and think in depth about the feature I want to build. But Wisary doesn't stop at creating the PRD. With a single click, I can initiate a similar flow to help me translate my PRD into user stories, detailed test plan, release notes, or other documents. Wisary will use AI to ensure the right questions are being asked so that no critical context is lost in translation. Wisary encourages your team to use AI responsibly. Instead of using it to accelerate writing documents at the cost of quality, it leverages AI to help each one of us think more thoroughly, make better decisions, and accelerate the entire team and their organization. Start your 30-day free trial of Wiser on Confluence today to see how more thoughtful requirements can accelerate your entire team.